Hello and welcome to ReachOwl. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to effectively schedule your campaigns. Log into your ReachOwl account and initiate your campaign by creating a new campaign and choosing Facebook group members. Select the Facebook group where you want to run the schedule campaign. Choose the campaign type. Name your campaign, for example, scheduling campaign, and fill in your desired details. And click Next to proceed. Craft your message to engage with your audience effectively. Click Save and start your campaign. This is the foundation on which you'll be implementing your scheduling strategy. After your campaign has started, navigate to your campaign section. Here, you'll find the Schedule option. Click on it to access the scheduling interface. Select the day you want to schedule your messages. Today is Friday, so I want to schedule the time for today. Set the start and end times by clicking on the clock icon. Click Save after setting the start and end times for a single day. You'll receive a pop-up stating that the end time should be after the start time for each day. Click OK. Now, for the rest of the days, set the end time as you did for Friday. Click Save to apply the schedule across all selected days. This allows you to precisely determine when your campaign will start and end. You can now monitor and review your campaign. You can observe that our campaign has stopped sending messages after sending 4 messages. This is because the campaign has exceeded the scheduled time we set for it and is now in a stopped state, in adherence to the specified start and end times. That's it. Now you can schedule campaigns according to your day and time. Thanks for watching and happy learning.